Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Julietobuor TV. Today's recipe is gonna be on how to make a bread sandwich. So right now, as you can see my ingredients and what I'm gonna be using. You can see my bread, you can see my chicken, and then my Bama butter. Then this is my carrots. I'm gonna be using 2 carrots, just 2 carrots. So now my chicken, and then this is my salt, my garlic powder, my ginger powder, and my black pepper, and my Maggi cube. I'm gonna be using 1 Maggi cube. So this is my green peas. So let's go to the next recipe where I'm gonna be seasoning the chicken. So right now I'm gonna be pouring my chicken into the pot for the seasoning. I'm gonna be putting the seasoning cubes. I'm gonna be adding my pepper first. I'm gonna be mixing everything up together. So now I'm gonna be adding. So right now, as you can see, my chicken is already on fire. I'm not gonna be adding the water yet. I just want everything to mix up together. You see the water that is inside the meat while I was washing it. So I just want everything to mix up together before adding water. So now I'm gonna be adding the water. Then I'll cook it till it gets soft. You know, I'm gonna be using it to do a chicken sandwich. So I want everything to be soft before using. Thank you. So right now I'm gonna be grating. So now I'm gonna be grating, using my grater to grate my carrot. So you watch as I do it. So right now, as you can see, I'm done grating the carrots that I'm gonna be using. So you just continue watching. So right now, as you can see, my chicken is done, and I'm gonna be chopping it. I've already chopped some. So this is how I'm chopping it for the sandwich. My sandwich is already on the way. So you just watch. So as you can see, this is how my chicken looks like. I'm still chopping it into smaller pieces. So now I'm gonna be heating my bread in the oil. So you watch as I heat my bread. This is how I'm gonna be doing it till it gets brown. I just want it to get brown. It's already brown. This is how I just want it to look like. So I'm gonna repeat this process in the other ones till I finish. So this is how the bread looks at the end. I'm gonna be using my butter to put on top. So you watch me. Hey guys, so right now, as you can see, my chicken is already in the bowl. I'm gonna be adding my Bama butter. This is my Bama butter. Then I'm gonna be adding my carrots, the carrots that I chopped. Them all. Then I'm finally gonna add my peas. You see my sandwich. Then I'll mix it all up together
for 5 minutes.
So you see everything is gonna mix up together. So you see it's already, everything is all ready. So now, as you can see, it's thick and the butter and everything has mixed up together. So watch as I'm going to be putting it into my bread. So right now, as you can see, I'm putting my butter first on the bread. This is the final. So right now, I'm gonna be adding the chicken salad I did. I'm gonna be adding it there. Then I'm gonna place this other one up there. Then I'll turn it. Then I'll be using my pizza cutter to cut it. Hey guys, thank you for watching. As you can see, my sandwich, I'm done. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Julietobuor TV. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.